In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your screenshot settings on Samsung. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So all you need to do is just scroll down from the top and hold your finger on the screen recorder option. This will bring up the screenshot settings, so you can turn on or off show toolbar after capturing. You can also turn on delete after sharing, and you can also hide status and navigation bars. So all that means is once you've taken a screenshot, all information at the top and the bottom will be removed. And you can also turn on save original screenshots. So you can obviously change that if you want. You can change the format from JPG to PNG, and you can also change where the screenshots will be saved to. So that's how you can change your screenshot settings on Samsung. Thanks for watching.